Now, students, let us start with question number 2, exercise 11.2, question number 2, page number 178. The area of trapezium is 34 square centimeter and the length of one of the parallel side is 10 centimeter and its height is 4 centimeter. Find the length of the other parallel side. As I told you that in trapezium, one of the sides are parallel, one of the opposite sides are parallel. So here all the things, whatever things are given, first you must write it. For example, what is given? That area of trapezium is 34 square centimeter. Length of one parallel side, it may be A or B, whatever it be, 10 centimeter. Height is 4 centimeter. Now, what is the formula of area of trapezium? Area of, please do write, area of trapezium is equals to half multiplied by h multiplied by a plus b. What is a plus b? A plus b is the parallel side. So it's given that the area is 34 centimeter square. So we will substitute the value. 34 equals to 1 by 2 multiplied by 4 multiplied by a plus b. A is one of the parallel side is 10 plus b. 2 2s are 4. Now this 2 will come in the denominator. 34 by 2 means 2 17s are. So 10 plus b is equals to 17. We will take b variable on one side and rest of the constant terms on the other side. So 17 minus 10, b is equals to 7 centimeter. They asked what is the length of the other parallel side. So other parallel side is equals to 7 centimeter. This is the answer. Question number 3. Length of the fence of a trapezium. This trapezium is given. Length of the fence. Fencing means the perimeter of trapezium means only the sides. So length of fence of trapezium shape field ABCD is 120 meter. If BC is equals to 48 centimeter, CD is equals to 17 meter and AD is equals to 40 meter, find the area of the field. Side AB is perpendicular to the sides AD and BC. So this trapezium is given and here length of fence means the length of the boundaries of this trapezium is 120 meter. BC is given 48, CD is given 17 and AD is given 40. But we don't know AB. And we are supposed to find out the area of trapezium. But with this they have given one thing that AB is perpendicular to the parallel sides. This AB is perpendicular to BC and this is perpendicular to AD also. So it is the height, altitude between the two parallel sides. Now as it is given length of the fence of trapezium is 120 meters. So what will be the length of the fence of this trapezium? AB plus BC plus CD plus AD. So let us substitute the value. 120 is equals to AB plus 48 plus 17 plus 40. When you will solve it, you will get AB is equals to 15 meter. So area of trapezium is equals to half multiplied by H multiplied by A plus B. Half multiplied by AB. Height means the altitude between the two parallel side is AB. So we will substitute the value of AB 15, AD plus BC. What is AD? 40. What we have got? BC? BC is 48. So 40 plus 48 and AB we have find out. AB is equals to 15 centimeter. When you are going to solve it, 44 plus 48, 88. It will divide by 44. 15 multiplied by 44 is 660 square meters. So the area of trapezium field is 660 square centimeter. Is that clear? Thank you. Now, let us move to question number 4, which is given on the page number 178. It's given that the diagonal of a quadrilateral shaped field is 24 meter and the perpendiculars dropped on it from the remaining opposite vertices are 8 meter and 13 meter. Find the area of the field. This ABCD, a quadrilateral, is given and this is AC is the diagonal and this is the height of the diagonal from the vertex. So diagonal is equals to 24 meter. So if you are supposed to find out the area of ABCD. So this quadrilateral, if we will join the diagonal, this quadrilateral can be divided into two triangles. So area of ABCD is equals to area of triangle ABC plus ACD. And you know what will be the area of triangle? Half multiplied by base multiplied by altitude. So let us first find out the area of triangle ABC. Half multiplied by base multiplied by altitude. So half base. Base means this will diagonal 24 multiplied by 13. When you will solve it, 2 12s are 24 and 12 multiplied by 13, 156 square meter. Now in the similar way, let us find out area of triangle ADC. Half multiplied by 24 multiplied by 8. Isn't it? This is 8. So here it will, sorry, this will be ABC and this will be ADC. Okay, ABC will be half base multiplied by altitude, because here altitude is given 8. So half multiplied by 24 multiplied by 8 will be 96 square meter. So area of the field ABCD will be 156 plus 96, that is 252 square meter. Okay, sometimes when the quadrilateral is given, you must join the diagonals. You should draw the diagonal and let us divide it into two triangles. Question number 5 is direct. The diagonals of rhombus are 7.5 and 12 centimeter. Find its area. So area of rhombus is half d1 multiplied by d2, half multiplied by 7.5 multiplied by 12. When you divide it 2 6 are 12, and when you will multiply 7.5 multiplied by 6 is 45.0 square centimeter. So area of rhombus will be 45 square centimeter. Now students, in the similar way, please try 6th, 7th problems by yourself. Okay, in the next class I will send you the videos of this, and just now I am sending all the pics. Thank you. Complete your work, complete your copy.